Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Matt with Garden Distractions. Very happy that you can make it for today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my purchase from Click&Grow that I did in my last video about a week ago. So here we go. So here's the box. It did come from Ontario. I think it was Mississauga that it came from. Yeah, Mississauga, Ontario. It was an expedited delivery, and it got to me today. It was supposed to come to me tomorrow, but it came a day early, which is really nice. So looking at the package, looks like it's really nicely packed. There's not any damage to it. When I did get the package, I did see this. It's one of the boxes they used from the Basil 3-pack, so guessing they took that all out and they were using the box. So let's take a look what's inside. So yeah, it does look like they reused the box, which is really nice. I try to be as sustainable as possible. I'm really happy that they are as well by reusing their boxes that they already had in this warehouse. So starting things off, pulling them out, we have the red pansy. There's 3-pack of those. We got 4 more. Then we have the ornamental grass, the black pansy, the painted nettle, which is the coleus, and the Busy Lizzie, or the Impatience. So they came very nicely packaged, no damage to the actual pots, really good shape. I am really happy with how fast it got delivered. I will leave a good review on the delivery process on these, and I'll take you guys along to see the process of them growing. For my next video, I will be taking you guys along and showing you how I plant these. It's really quite easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a quick little video today, just an unboxing. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It means a lot to me. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.